Do you want a light, refreshing, and flavorful salad, ready in minutes and still great for digestion and water retention? Tired of bland recipes that don't satisfy or support your health? On Healthy You, today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple cucumber into a creamy, aromatic salad that's perfect for summer or any light meal. And hey, if you enjoy quick, healthy recipes using ingredients you already have at home, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any tips that can improve your eating habits without the hassle. Stick with me until the end, because besides the step-by-step guide, I'll give you serving ideas to turn this salad into a delicious and nutritious moment in any snack or quick meal. Let's get into the recipe. Who hasn't wanted to start the day feeling light, glowing, and with a happy gut? This cucumber salad is perfect because cucumber is a superfood. It's 95% water, keeps you hydrated, is rich in fiber to support digestion, and full of antioxidants that leave your skin looking younger and more radiant. On top of that, it's super light and low in calories, perfect for staying energized without feeling heavy. Let me show you how to make this delicious salad that fits your budget and your busy routine. You'll need 1 cucumber, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, half a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 green onions, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and optionally, some lemon zest and juice. Let's go step by step. First, cut off the ends of the cucumber and slice it thinly, about 2 to 3 millimeters. Mix with the salt and let it rest for a few minutes. This draws out the extra water and keeps it crunchy. Meanwhile, chop the green onion and garlic, or use frozen chopped garlic for convenience. Drain the cucumber in a strainer, squeezing out as much liquid as possible. Now, in a mixing bowl, combine the cucumber, yogurt, garlic, green onion, olive oil, and, if you want a citrusy touch, add the lemon zest and juice. Mix everything well and it's done. Pro tip: store it in the fridge in an airtight container to make it even more flavorful. Enjoying this so far? Leave a like to support Healthy You. Serve it with toasted whole grain bread and olive oil for a crunchy breakfast, or pair it with a steak for a light lunch. This salad is so versatile, it's going to win you over. Cucumber also helps reduce bloating, improves digestion, and gives your skin a natural glow, all while you enjoy something delicious. Want more ideas? Tell me in the comments how you like to enjoy your cucumber salad. And if you're looking for simple and delicious recipes to help you lose weight without giving up flavor, I'm leaving the link to 2 ebooks in the description of this video. Check them out. They might completely transform your kitchen routine and help you reach your goals faster than you ever imagined. See how easy it is to take care of your health with this cucumber salad. Make it today and feel the difference in your body. If you loved this recipe, click like, subscribe to Healthy You, and turn on notifications so you never miss a wellness tip. And tell me in the comments, what will you serve with your salad? See you in the next video.